When it comes to electrical work and repairs in Fredericton, HousePro Handyman Services is your local go-to source. We specialize in delivering prompt, professional electrical solutions that you can trust. Whether you're dealing with outlet issues, electrical system repairs, lighting upgrades, or the need for additional outlets and fixtures, rest assured, we'll handle it safely and in compliance with all New Brunswick building code requirements. Our services cater to both residential and commercial clients in Fredericton, Oromocto, Woodstock, St. John, Quispamsis, and the surrounding areas. You can have full confidence in our licensed and insured team to deliver top-quality electrical work and repairs precisely when you need them. We pride ourselves on offering same-day and next-day service, along with free consultations and quotes. Our electrical work and repair services include 1. Receptacle installation, 2. Outlet replacement, 3. Light fixture installation, and more. We are locally owned, licensed, and insured. Don't wait any longer. Take the first step towards a safer, more efficient electrical system. Contact HousePro Handyman Services today at 506-406-0919.